Hello, I'm Matthew Green with Magswitch Technology. Magnetic drilling machines make our lives a lot easier, but they do have three distinct drawbacks. They require electricity at all times for the magnets to function, they do not attain strong grip on thin material, and they don't work well on pipe without expensive adapter plates. The MagDrill Disruptor 30 has resolved all three of those issues. This unit is lightweight at less than 25 pounds, requires no electricity for the magnets to function, attains strong grip even on gauge material, and these magnets will automatically pivot to adjust to any pipe 3-inch in diameter or larger. You can see we can partially actuate these magnets and adjust the drill into the position where we'd like it. Once the cutter head is in the correct position, we can then apply 100% of the magnetic force, turn on the drill with the Easy Touch panel, you can see we've ejected our slug through the hole. We can now deactivate one magnet. You can see these Magswitch magnets turn all the way off, so all the debris wipes right away. Reverse the process on this side. And I'm ready to drill again.